Welcome to Home Economics for JSS 2. Today, we will learn about the care and maintenance of clothing. Why is clothing care important? 1. Prolongs the life of clothes. Proper care makes clothes last longer, saving money. 2. Maintains appearance. Clothes look neat, clean, and presentable. 3. Hygiene and health. Clean clothes prevent skin infections and body odor. 4. Economics. Well-maintained clothes require fewer replacements. 5. Environmental. Clothing that lasts longer reduces the need for new production, less resource use and pollution. Care labels and symbols. Clothing care labels, attached to garments, contain washing and care instructions using standardized symbols. Understanding care labels prevents damage to clothes. Common care label symbols. Washing top symbol shows how to wash, temperature, hand wash or machine wash. 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, maximum washing temperature. Hand in tub, hand wash only, do not machine wash. X through tub, do not wash with water or dry clean only. Triangle, bleaching, triangle with lines means use non-chlorine bleach, X through triangle equals do not bleach. Iron symbol, ironing temperature, 1 dot, cool, 110 degrees Celsius per synthetics, 2 dots, warm, 150 degrees Celsius per wool per polyester, 3 dots, hot, 200 degrees Celsius per cotton per linen. X through iron, do not iron. Circle, dry cleaning, P, F, or W equals different dry cleaning solvents, X equals do not dry clean. Square with circle, tumble drying, dots indicate temperature. Methods of washing clothes. 1. Hand washing. Suitable for delicate fabrics, silk, wool, embroidered items, small quantities of clothes, items marked hand wash only. Procedure. Sort clothes by color, whites, lights, darks, and fabric type. Fill basin with water at appropriate temperature, cool for wool/silk, warm for cotton. Add appropriate amount of detergent. Submerge clothes and gently squeeze and rub to remove dirt. Do not wring or scrub aggressively, this can damage delicate fibers. Rinse thoroughly in clean water until water runs clear, removes all soap residue. For wool, roll in a towel to remove excess water, lay flat to dry. Do not wring. For silk, roll gently in towel, hand to dry in shade. 2. Machine washing. Suitable for cotton, polycotton, most everyday clothing. Not suitable for delicate items marked hand wash only. Procedure. Sort clothes by color and fabric. Check care labels for temperature setting. Add detergent, powder or liquid, as directed. Select appropriate cycle, gentle for delicates, cotton cycle for towels/sheets. Remove promptly after washing to prevent creasing and mildew. 3. Dry cleaning. Suitable for suits, formal wear, woolen coats, items marked dry clean only. Dry cleaning uses chemical solvents instead of water. Drying clothes. Line drying, sunshine best for cotton and everyday clothes. Sunlight also acts as a natural bleach and disinfectant. Turn bright colors inside out to prevent fading. Tumble drying, fast and convenient, use appropriate heat setting. Flat drying, essential for wool and knitted items, to preserve shape. Drying in shade, for silk, bright colors, and delicate items that fade in sunlight. Ironing and pressing. Ironing removes creases and gives a neat, professional look. Pressing is ironing through a damp cloth. Ironing temperatures match to fabric. Low heat, 1 dot, 110 degrees Celsius acrylic, nylon, polyester, synthetic fabrics, low heat only or they will melt. Medium heat, 2 dots, 150 degrees Celsius wool, polycotton, silk, use a pressing cloth to protect. High heat, 3 dots, 200 degrees Celsius cotton, linen, these can withstand high temperatures. Ironing order for a full set of clothes. 1. Collar and cuffs. 2. Sleeves. 3. Front of garment. 4. Back of garment. Always iron on the wrong side, inside, for dark-colored fabrics to prevent shine. Use a pressing cloth between iron and delicate fabrics. Stain removal. Treat stains as soon as possible. The longer a stain sets, the harder to remove. Grass stains, cold water plus detergent. Blood stains, cold water, never hot. Hot water cooks blood into fabric. Grease/oil stains, absorbent powder, salt, cornstarch, to absorb grease first, then liquid detergent. Ink stains, rubbing alcohol, methylated spirit, dabbed on stain. Fruit/juice stains, cold water plus detergent, salt on fresh stain. Storage of clothes. Clean clothes before storing. Dirty clothes attract insects. Fold or hang clothes neatly. Use mothballs or cedar wood for woolen clothes to prevent moth damage. Store in cool, dry place. Hang suits and formal wear on hangers to maintain shape. Remember, care labels guide washing/ironing. Methods: hand wash, delicate items, silk/wool, cool/warm water, no wringing, machine wash, cotton/polycotton, check temperature, dry clean, suits/formal wear/woolens. Drying: line dry in sun, disinfect, flat dry, wool, shade dry, silk/bright colors. Ironing temperature: 1. = low, synthetics, don't melt, 2. = medium, wool/silk, 3. = high, cotton/linen. Stain removal: act fast. Blood = cold water, grease = absorb first then detergent. Storage: clean clothes, mothballs for wool. Thank you for studying with us today.